Hi everybody, it's Christina and thank you for joining me. So this amazing set is called Bouquet in Bloom and there are some really beautiful pieces to this collection. So I'll take you through them as we go along. So let's start with the embossing folders. Different designs on each one, different shapes in the middle, but both of them have a cutting die fitted into the folder. So as you pass that through your machine, it will emboss it and die cut it at the same time. So one is Flowers in Bloom, the other is Bouquet in Bloom. So the next thing in the collection is some washi strips. Now these you can peel off and use as strips, or you can die cut the whole shape. It's entirely up to you, but they're very, very pretty, and you get 4 sheets in there of the washi tape. Then there's the paper pack, and in this you'll get 8 different designs and they're all foiled ready for you to use, and it's rose gold foiling that's on these and they're really, really pretty. And then you'll get the ephemera. There are lots of different pieces in this pack for you to decorate your cards with. Some are in jugs, some are in cups, but they're all gold, rose gold foiled. Really pretty. And to complete the look, we've also got some rose gold sentiments, and these will just peel off for you to add to your cards. If you add those to a card shape as well, they'll be a lot sturdier when you add them to your designs. So I'm going to make 2 cards, and from some gold, rose gold mirror card I found in my stash, I'm taking 2 dies from the Nested Ovals Fancy Frames, and that's these, and I'm going to cut those out, and that will give me 2 shapes that will fit on my cards. So I'm going to make these 2 cards with oval shapes in them. I'm also going to use some paper pack, and I'm going to cut these down so that they fit on the front of the card, and these will be added along there and the frames will sit on the top. Now for the top of these I've taken some floral designs and I'm going to add these to the card, and I've also added some of the sentiments to some extra card and they're going to sit along there. And then these will come in along the bottom here, and that will go in the centre and that will go on the top. And I'm going to add these in with some foam pads. So there we have 2 really pretty cards. They're A6 in size and they're using items from the Bouquet in Bloom collection. So I hope you've enjoyed the little video, and if you have, please join me on the next one and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.